Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is the design that we will be working on during this video. So we start by opening a new page. We go to File, New, and we use the same settings we used during this course. And we need to copy the colors from this design and paste them to our design page. So we hold the Alt button to duplicate the boxes. As you see, I have here 3 colors, so I will use 3 boxes. This is the first one. Sorry, there are 4 colors. Second one, third one, and we will duplicate this one and paint it with red, which is the 4th color. We copy them and we drag them to our design page. Perfect. And now we start working on our logo design. So first we go to View, Rulers, Show Rulers, and we drag the first ruler right here. Now we select the rectangle tool, we hold the Shift button, and we draw a box in here. Now we rotate the box like this. Perfect. We paint it in this color. This is just for now. This is not the color that we will use. This is just an example. Now we go to edit. We select the box. We go to edit, copy, and then we go back to edit and we select paste in place to duplicate it. Now we change its color to this color, for example. We go here and we drag the box like this to adjust its size. Sorry, I need to go back. I'm gonna change from here. And we drag it to here like this. I put it here. I zoom in a little bit and I just adjust it from here. Perfect. And I drag it and put it right here. Perfect. I put it right here. Then I go to Object, Transform, and then I select Rotate, and I rotate the shape right here like this. You can take a preview from here. Here we are. Preview is now available. Adjust the angle like this, 270 degree. Then I click copy and here we are. First I select this one and I drag it to the middle a little bit. Here we are, we center it like this. Make sure that this dot intersects with the ruler. Now I go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. And then I drag it like this. Perfect. Now I select the whole shape like this. Then I will delete those extra parts using the shape builder tool. I hold the Alt button and I select them to delete them like this. Perfect. Now I keep going like this. Now I merge these shapes like this. I select the first shape and I keep going like this. Perfect. To delete something, you hold the Alt button, and to merge something, you remove your finger from the Alt button. Now I go to the pen tool, I place the first dot in here, sorry. Click here, then I select the pen tool. I place the first dot right here, the second one in here. Perfect. Now I select the whole shape. I use the shape builder tool just to check everything is okay. Now I uncheck the stroke. Perfect. I change the colors now. I will select this one right here. Now I change the colors of the extra parts. This is just an example. These are not the colors so far. Now we right click and we select hide guides to hide the rulers. And now we select this part. We use the eyedropper and we paint it with this color. Then this one, again we use the eyedropper, we paint it with this color. This one, we paint it with red like this. And the other one is already in orange. In here I select the dark blue. And in here I leave it with this color, lighter blue. And here we are. This is the final look of our design. As you see, it looks like a pyramid. Now I select the whole shape and I adjust its size while holding the shift button. And then we can add some text to our design. We select the text tool and we type whatever we want, and as I always say, you can put the text with any shape, color or font you want. It depends on what you are working on, and this is just an example. So we put your company in here. Double click on it, then I can change the font from here. You can select any font you want and any color and any size. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video to work on the next design in this course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.